Flooding can come in a number of different forms. First and foremost is floodings from a river and the sea. In addition to that, there's surface water, which is developed through rainfall, and where that rainfall flows across the ground before it makes it into watercourses. There's also sewer flooding as well, which is where that surface water gets into the sewer and can potentially come out of the ground. The other main source of flooding is groundwater, where water naturally recharges from the ground and out into the open environment.